Reach high, aim high, and obtain.
So you grabbing your harvesting tool, Dad?
I'm looking for a book. Nope, there's something in the way here.
Bucket?
I got this. Got holes in the bottom, that way I can just run water through it
Okay.
and wash the garlic.
Okay. So we're harvesting garlic today?
Yep,
And this is the garlic we planted in the fall, I want to say, last year.
yep.
And so it's now harvesting time. Is that how you get the garlic out? You just
All I'm doing
dig next to it?
is going
Release it.
through, making sure I'm not getting close enough to mess up the bulb. And I'm just breaking the soil loose. And there we go. Then what I'm going to do,
Okay. These are a lot smaller than the other ones.
yeah,
Do you think it's the location?
it's the soil and the location.
Okay, so what are you finding that the garlic prefers then?
Oh, it prefers better soil. What I did here, I just planted it right here amongst all these weeds because I had a few extra left over and I didn't have anywhere to put them, so I just stuck them in there.
And you didn't want to waste what you had, so.
And it's not like I was coming up with anything special, soil or anything to.
So
plant
what
in.
type of quality soil does garlic like then?
It's just like any other plant. It likes decent soil, and it likes it loose enough for the roots to grow.
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Awesome. Are there any more?
Oh yeah.
Are there ones that are still available in the good soil so that we can show the difference?
I don't know.
Okay.
Look at all these here.
Wow.
So, to get to those, let's go around this way.
Okay.
And I don't know if this is possible or not.
But,
I'm going to see if I can just pull it.
okay. Oh, that did good. Wow, that's a whole bundle of them, Dad.
Yep.
Are those bigger or smaller, do you say? Those look bigger to me.
That's a pretty good size one right there.
Yeah.
can do it. And you come back there where you're at.
Okay. Of course, there's our drip system. How are those look? Bigger? That
Looks
one's
good.
definitely bigger.
Yeah, okay, let's keep moving your way.
Yeah.
Okay, here's one.
Oh, wow. I think that other one was bigger.
Good one.
So how do you dry this stuff then?
Yeah.
So I mean, you know, like what one would get normally in the store.
You just hang it.
Obviously by the scapes, I'm assuming.
Yep.
So you hang it by the scapes and then come back to it when it looks ready, I guess.
And just, I'm gonna put them in the garage. Let them dry in the garage.
Okay. My daddy loves the hose setup I did for him
Yep.
because it makes things easier. And that's why.
See the mud coming out the bottom?
Oh yeah. Wow. That's why you chose a bucket with a hole in it.
Yep.
And so it.
Now look down in here. See here?
Uh-huh. Wow.
And all I did was just folded them around.
Okay.
And I'm pulling them through now.
Okay. To make like a knot. Okay.
You see if that's I don't know if that's going to be enough or not to hold them or not. I guess it is.
Okay. And then you just hang it.
And I'm going to hang them in the garage.
Okay. But right now you're just hanging it there to kind of get the excess water off of them, right? Because it's so hot out here.
Well, I'm just hanging them there
to get that final.
to give me time to do them all.
There's a garlic there at the top.
And all I do
Okay.
is I just take the top,
Uh-huh.
fold
And
it around.
Oh, you just knot it.
That's all I'm doing.
And then you're just going to hang them. And then you're just doing it right now until you get them all. And then we'll take them into the garage to do the final drawing, right?
Just hang them in the garage. I'm just going to find somewhere to hang them.
Okay. Cool. Thank you for sharing this fabulous garlic harvest that I know we are enjoying deliciously in our meals. So awesome. And I've got a video I'm going to be posting here after this about how I use these scapes actually to cook with them, and they're quite delicious and full of nutrition as well. And we will do that, as well as how to show you how to ferment garlic. And for those of you that don't know this, I do want to add that fermented garlic and fermented garlic juice, but I think it was mainly the juice, is of the fermented garlic is what was used in Japan to help them overcome radiation poisoning and stuff that they did.
I'm gonna get a string.
TaylorIt garlic.
I'm gonna get a string because these are so short. I can't bend them. I'm just gonna get a string and tie them up.
Okay, so that's another option as well. Awesome. Thank you, Dad.
Every single person who watches this video has the power to change someone else's life today. Subscribing to TaylorIt takes 1 second, but creates a ripple that reaches people across the entire world. Hit like, share this with someone who needs it, and drop your location in the comments because seeing where our community reaches genuinely excites us. Together, we are building something real. Join us and help others find this too.